Hello, my friends. Hi, how are you? Good. My name is Shadi, and I'm a rider. I've been touring to several parts of the country. That is Kenya. My country is Kenya. So I've been to several places camping. So then I was like, why don't I start documenting all my trips? So from today, I'm starting my documentation. So, guys, I'm asking you to follow me, to like my videos, and definitely to subscribe to my channel. My channel is Shadi, Ride with Shadi, sorry. So, kindly just follow, give it a thumbs up, and also, again, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, so, guys, here's my riding gear. I have a nice jacket there. It's an off road, all weather and all road jacket. Also, again, a very nice gloves there. Of course, I have my balaclava there. My helmet. This helmet has served me for about 2 years now. Still serving me well. Yeah, and I have my riding trousers there. They really help me. My knee guards, my boots, and also again, I have my Motor Wolf motorbike cover, my straps, and of course my bag. Yeah, I know, guys, you're asking yourself which kind of bike I'm riding. Yeah, this is the bike. Yeah, it's a 200cc. It's not that big, not a very big bike. It's a 200cc. Yeah, that is the front face. My auxiliary light there.